Good morning, students. Now, question sum 5. Take out the sum of 19.38 and 56.025, then subtract it from 200.111. Understand the sum. What is asking? Take out the sum of this, then subtract it from sum from 200.111. So first of all, do the sum. Here we will write the heading sum, then we will add both the numbers. So 19.38 plus 56.025. So at the right side or at the rough side, we will add both the numbers. So see, 19.38 decimal after decimal 0 to 5, then here 6, here 5, then plus sign. 5, 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, decimal after decimal. 9 plus 6 15, carry 1, 5 1 6 and 1 7. So the sum is coming 75.405. Sum of 19.38 and 56.025, it is coming 75.405. It is subtracted from 200.111. So it means 200.111 we will write first. So here we will write heading subtract and 200.111 minus 75.405. So now we will show this subtraction. 200.111 decimal after decimal 405, and here 5, here 7. Now subtraction. 10 1 11, 11 minus 5 6. Then here 1, we had taken the carry, it means 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 1 and here 4, it means we need to take the carry. 10 1 11 minus 4 7. Decimal after decimal. Then here 9, we had taken the carry. Then here 9. 9 minus 5 4. Here also 9 minus 7 2. And here we had taken the carry, it means 1. So the answer is 124.706. Listen again. First of all, we will do the sum. Sum is coming 75.405. Then subtract 200.111 minus 75.405. After subtracting this, the answer is coming 124.706. Now students, 7 sum. That is, what should be added to 39.587 to give 80.375. So let the required number be x. So what is added in this number? X be added. So we will make one equation. 39.587 plus x be added to give is equal to 80.375. So now we will find the value of x. So x is equal to 80.375 minus, because this number is having plus sign, move to RHS, changes into minus. So 39.587. So now we will subtract this. X is equal to, at the rough side we will subtract this. So 80.375, decimal after decimal 587, and here 9, here 3. So now we will subtract 10 5 15 minus 7 8, 10 6 16 minus 8 8, 10 to 12 minus 5 7, decimal after decimal. 9 minus 9 0. Then 7 minus 3 4. So x is equal to 40.788. So therefore required number is equal to 40.788. It is the answer. Now move to the 8th sum. What should be subtracted from 100 to give 19.29? In this sum it was added, now subtracted. So we will do the same. Let the required number be x. Required number be x. Once again we will make the equation. What should be subtracted from 100? From 100 we have to subtract. So it means 100 minus what we have to subtract? We let x. So is equal to give 19.29. So see, we will find the value of x, but here it is minus x, so we will write minus x is equal to 19.29. This one is positive 100, move to RHS, changes into negative, so minus 100. So minus x is equal to 19.29 minus 100. So see, 100 is greater, without sign 100 is greater. So we will subtract 100 minus 19.29 at the rough side. So 100, decimal will be after 0. So decimal after decimal, here 2 and then 9. Here 9 and 1. Now subtract, they are 0 and we can put minus sign. So 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 1, 8, then here 0 because we had taken the carry. So it is coming 80.71. Now students, see 100 is greater having minus sign. So which sign will come here? Minus sign. It means minus x is equal to minus 80.71. So minus 2 minus cancel. So x is equal to 80.71. So therefore required number is equal to 80.71 and it is the answer. Evaluate. First part 5.4 minus 0.8 inside the bracket, then plus inside the bracket 2.97 minus 1.462. So first we will solve bracket. So 5.4 minus 0.8, this we will subtract at the RHS. So 5.4 decimal after decimal, here 8 and here 0. So now subtract 10 4 14 minus 8 6, decimal after decimal, here 4. So what is coming? 4.6. Then here plus sign. Now this subtraction 2.97 decimal after decimal, here 4, here 6, here 2, then here 1. Now subtraction, here 0. So 10 minus 2 8, 6 minus 6 0, 9 minus 4 5, 2 minus 1 1. So what is coming? 1.508. Now you can see addition of both. So 4.6 decimal after decimal, 508 and here 1. So addition 8 0 6 plus 5 11, carry 1 4 1 5 and 1 6. So what addition is coming? 6.108 and it is the answer. Now move to the third part. 9.004 plus 3 minus 2.462 inside the bracket. So first we will solve the bracket. So 9.004 plus subtraction of these two. So 3 decimal is here, here 4 6 2 decimal after decimal, and here 2. So here we can write 0, then minus sign. So 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 4 5, then 2 minus 2 0, because we had taken the carry in place of 3, here 2, so 2 minus 2 0. What is coming? 0.538. So we have to add these. We can add orally. So 8 plus 4 12, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 0 plus 5 5, 9 plus 0 9. So the answer is 9.542. See 11th sum. What is excess of 75 over 48.29? What is excess of 75? 75 is how much more than 48.29? So nothing we have to write. We will write only subtraction, and at the RHS we will subtract this and write the answer. So which number is greater? 75 is greater. 8.29 is smaller. So we will write 75 minus 48.29. Now you have to do the subtraction by yourself and write the answer and comment the answer in the comment box. Next, 12. If A is equal to 237.98 and B is equal to 83.47, find first part A minus B. First part is A minus B. It is A minus B in which A is equal to 237.98. So value of A we will write first, 237.98 minus 83.47. This you have to subtract by yourself and comment the answer in comment box. Second part, B minus A. B minus A means 83.47 minus value of A is 237.98. 237.98. Listen about second part. Subtraction will come same, but in second part you can see 237.98 is greater, having minus sign. So the answer will come minus, and subtraction, what subtraction is coming, same will come. So comment the answer of the both part in the comment box. Thank you and have a good day.